Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it really is, only what it feels like. And right now there's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight. All I can fight as long as the wrong feels right. It's like I'm in flight, high off the love drawn from my hate. It's like I'm huffing pain and I love her. The more I suffer, I suffocate. Right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates me. I love her, wait, where are you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back, we're running right back. Here we go again. It's so insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his back. She's Lois Lane, but when it's bad, it's awful, I feel so ashamed. I snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I lay hands on her, I'll never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you with them you meet, and neither one of you even know what hit them? Got that warm fuzzy feeling, yeah, them chills used to get them. Now you're getting fucking sick of looking at them. You swore you never hit them, never do nothing to hurt them. Now you in each other's face and spewing venom in their words when you spin them. You push, pull each other's hair, scratch, claw, bit them, throwing down, pin them. So lost in the moments when you're with them. It's the rage that took over, it controls you both. So they say it's best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you, cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. Sounds like broken records playing over. But you promised her next time you show restraint. You don't get another chance, life is no Nintendo game. But you lied again, now you can't get to watch her leave out the window. Guess that's why they call it window
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the pattern, the same routine. But your temper's just as bad as mine is, you're the same as me. When it comes to love, you're just as blinded, baby. Please come back, it wasn't you, baby, it was me. Maybe our relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado meets a volcano. All I know is I love you too much to walk away to. Come inside, pick up all your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault, look me in the eyeball. Next time that I'm pissed, I'll aim my fist at the drywall. Next time, there will be no next time. I apologize, even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games, I just want her back, I know that I'm a liar. If she ever tries to fucking leave again, I'ma tie her to the bed and set this house on fire.
Just gonna stand